Building a decision support system DSS for selling on the internet, specifically for an online store or e-commerce business, involves integrating various technologies and data analysis techniques. Here, a step-by-step guide to help you build a DSS for your online store. First, identify decision area. Determine the key decision areas where you want to implement the DSS. This could include pricing strategies, inventory management, marketing campaigns, and more. Second, define decision criteria. Identify the specific criteria or merits that will be used to evaluate and make decisions within each decision area. Gather data. Collect relevant data from various sources such as your online stores, transactional data, consumers data, market research, web analytics, and any other relevant sources. Fourth, clean and pre-process the data. Clean and collected data to remove any duplicates, errors, or inconsistencies. Pre-process the data by transforming it into a consistent format, handling missing values, and performing calculations. Fifth, choose a DSS framework. Select a suitable DSS framework that aligns with your requirements. Sixth, develop models and algorithms based on decision areas and criteria. Develop models and algorithms that can analyze the collected data and provide insights and recommendations. Sixth, implement the DSS. Integrate the developed models and algorithm into the chosen DSS framework. Test and validate. Validate the DSS by testing it against real world scenarios and comparing its recommendations with actual outcomes. 9. Monitor and update. Continuously monitor the performance of DSS and update it as necessary. 10th. Train users. Provide trainings and support to the users who will be utilizing the decisions and support system. Ensure they understand how to interpret the system's outputs and make informed decisions based on the recommendations provided. Remember, building a DSS is an iterative process. As you gain more insights and feedback from users, you can refine and enhance the system to better support your online selling